Business in Focus is one of the leading providers of business support in Wales. Some time ago, it identified the opportunity to develop a commercial property portfolio across Wales, which was offered on flexible terms. And as a not-for-profit organisation, we can guarantee that all surplus income generated from that is reinvested into the support of small business in Wales.
We don't tie tenants into any sort of term if they come to us, especially small businesses who are just setting up, who haven't quite maybe established themselves yet. We don't tie them into leases, so it's a month's notice at any time.
In the initial stages, they offer me a facility which I can move into very, very quickly. And obviously with the facility they have, which is a month in and a month out, then it enabled us to focus more on expanding the business within our own growth. So therefore we didn't have to apply ourselves to any specific contract which would conflict on us in our expansion range.
We've taken 3 units now. We've taken those units on an easy basis. So essentially all we're doing is basically paying a bond. We're not tied into a lease, and then we pay a monthly rental figure that includes all these services, so we don't have to pay for rates, electricity and gas, and the figures all in.
I would say that Business in Focus is more than just a landlord, because we don't just offer business accommodation. Once a tenant is in, we have on-site business support, and we offer a wide range of training courses. There's also meeting facilities on site.
We use a lot of the facilities that they also offer as an extra, which are the conference centres, etc. You know, you can use them at any time as a tenant, and that gives you even more flexibility where you don't need a huge office sometimes. You might just need a larger area once or twice a week, and they offer that.
We tend to use the meeting rooms. There are sort of communal areas that can be used as well. And of course those meeting rooms are free of charge. It's all in the initial rental.
In the initial stages, yes, there was quite a portfolio of items which we utilised because I was quite naive in starting the business.
When we first started up, because there are certain skill sets that I needed help with, Business in Focus had mentors that could actually give you help and advice in either sales, accountancy, HR, whatever skill sets were missing. You could spend time with one of their mentors to with a view to help fill that gap.
Anybody can apply for an office. Obviously they have to be started up or trading in business or expecting to start up. And yeah, anybody can come along. And once they're on site, then we have a lot of tenants who, once they're on site, they initially take a small office from us, and then once they grow their business, they can move internally to larger premises.
As my business has grown and I've branched out into a further 3 offices, Business in Focus have actually allowed me to do this. They've always found me flexible solutions. As my workforce has grown, the office space that I've been given has always been larger, and I just sort of go in and have a chat to Gareth, property manager. He'll always ensure that I get a good office for the right size for my team.
We were able to expand on an annual basis and then on a monthly basis, so there were some facilities offered to us which we could react within literally weeks.
Comparing it with looking at other commercial properties, I've always found Business in Focus to be the most affordable solution for my business, and we now have branches in Treforest, Business in Focus, Cardiff Bay, Business in Focus, and Bridgend, Business in Focus.
A total portfolio is just over 200,000 square feet across the whole of South East Wales, from Pyle in the west as far as Tonopandi in Rhondda and Taff, that heads the valleys, and down to Cardiff Bay.
We recognise the financial pressures of starting up a business, and the level of the tenant's financial bond reflects this. Our relationship with you is transparent. There are no hidden costs, and our terms are simple and easily understood. There are no third-party professionals to hinder our relationship, and you deal directly with ourselves. To give your customers the right impression, our accommodation is offered fully serviced, with on-site car parking readily available. The properties are fully secured, and you have the added benefit of dealing with a landlord who is also very financially secure, giving peace of mind all around. Our properties stretch across South East Wales, with all our sites situated in very accessible locations. We're also here to help our tenants succeed and offer training and advice in all aspects of running your business. As you can see, we're more than just a landlord. we have the confidence to invest and support new start-up businesses in Wales. For further information, please contact Gareth, Natalie or Elaine on 01656 724 414 or email property@businessinfocus.co.uk.